people of the internet, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR box. So thank you to Ipsy for sending me this. I get to unbox the PR $12 a month bag and $25 a month bag. So the like standard Ipsy Glam bag and then the Ipsy Glam bag plus. So let me give you a little information on those real quick. So the regular Ipsy Glam bag is $12 a month, and you get, I believe it's 5 sample, like deluxe size sample, sometimes full size products sent in your bag, and then the $25 a month, which is the Ipsy Glam bag plus, $25 a month, and you receive 5 full size or deluxe size sample products in there. And so my PR is not necessarily based off a profile. Everyone gets the same PR box, but the regular ones that you pay for, so like my paid for ones, are customized to me. So I, you know, get stuff for pale people with blonde hair and blue eyes, and yeah, I think I actually have in there that I have brown hair. And I also like have my age and like my skin type and all that fun stuff. Also, do you guys like the makeup look I'm trying out? This lipstick? Oh my gosh, got it in this bag, and I'm like, I'm so obsessed with the way that my lips look right now. Like, I wish I had bangs so bad though, cause like, ugh, my hair is just, I really want to cut my bangs, but I gotta pass my state board first. So anyways, let's just go ahead and jump right into this unboxing because I'm so excited. So I received both of the bags in one box. So I'm going to do the $12 a month Ipsy Glam bag first. It looks like this. I actually have the one I paid for right here. There'll be a different video on that, but basically I just have 2 of all the bags now because I wasn't going to quit paying for my bags because my mom and I can't do Ipsy versus Ipsy if we're both getting the same PR, you know what I mean? So anyways, this is a bag, super cute. I love this color palette. I love the colorway, the color palette, whatever you want to call it. Pretty cute. Let's open it up and get into it. I'm so excited. So we have 5 items in here. I'm just gonna bring them all out and we're gonna talk about them a little bit. So I'm gonna tell you guys everything I got in here. So first we have this Ico Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. So, and it is in Beatnik Black. Cute. I love these travel size mascaras that we get in Ipsy for travel. Not that I travel often, but like if I like stayed the night at my mom's house instead of sleeping at my dad's house, I got it. Or if it's really just great to try out new mascaras. So that too. Then we have this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream. It looks like this. And I just want to know, does it really smell like bananas? Oh, it kind of smells like banana Laffy Taffy and slime. Does that make sense? Does that resonate with anybody else? Just me, banana Laffy Taffy. I'm so happy for this. Ah, so cute. I'm so excited for this. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then these 3 products, I'm like super excited about all of them. I mean, I'm excited about everything I always get. I love trying new things, and I am always changing up everything, so it's like, it's just great. It's great. I love experimentation with product. It's my favorite. So next we have a Tatcha product. Like, okay, bougie. This is the Tatcha. I'm so excited. I'm stuttering. This is the Tatcha, the Deep Cleanser face wash cleanser. This is a clarifying Japanese loofah fruit extract for normal to oily skin. It says apply to a wet face avoiding eyes. Okay, so you just squeeze it. Oh, okay, you can't squeeze it. And I'm just kind of like really obsessed with this bottle. I don't have very many Tatcha things, so whenever I get anything Tatcha, I'm like, I am so bougie, I am so important, I am so great. I don't know, it just like puts me on a whole other level. It's kind of a bad thing, but I also kind of really love it. So up next we have this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. Love Anastasia Beverly Hills lipsticks. So this is in Moon Jelly, and I'm excited because it is like a holographic lip gloss. Beautiful. Oh yes, this would be a great lip topper, great for just some fun on its own. Love it. So excited for that. And then the last product that we got in the Ipsy Glam bag is this Sugar Rush Tarte Lip Slip Vegan Lip Oil in Fresh Pressed. Okay, so I'm gonna open this and check it out. I love that there's a little like grippy thingy on it. I wonder, can you take that off? Oh, I think you can take that off. Yes, you can. This was on there, and I took it off, and I kind of want to just put it on the lid, give it a purple lid, but I'm gonna put it back where it belongs. I want to smell this. I want to swatch it. I want to. Oh, that smells like my childhood lip glosses, but it's kind of everything, and it's just that seems so hydrating. You can't even see it because it shows it clear, but it smells great. It smells wonderful. Doesn't seem super tacky, but it is thick with like 3 C's, so that's gonna be super moisturizing, really nice on your lips for like when you take off a liquid lipstick and you're like taking off this beautiful lipstick, and then you're like, oh, my lips are a little dry, I need some hydration, then you just, and then you're like, so good. I'm on like a whole new kind of energy right now. So those were the 5 products for the Ipsy Glam bag. So I'm just going to toss these back in this adorable little bag. And then we'll get into the products for the Ipsy Glam bag plus. Okay, so this is what this bag looks like. It's the top is more of like a peachy color, but it's pretty much the same colorway. So I actually have like 6 item-y thingies in here. So I'm going to show you all of them, but one of them is like 3 lipsticks and one of them is a brush set. And I'm just going to start off with the single brush. Okay, so yeah. So let's open this up. This is the A Perfect 10 MOTD brush. This just looks like a great brush for, I don't even know. I always like whenever I find a domed brush, I'm like, okay, under eye brush, like sweeping away the bake. That's what I want to go to, but you know, you can also use these for contour or powder. You can use these for so many different things. I mean, some people, oh, you know what it's probably used for? A blush brush. Yeah, it's probably a blush brush. You know, I'm not really 100% for sure, but it's soft as heck, and there's a ton of bristles in there, so like high quality, nice stuff. Does anyone else put their brush guards back on once they, like when they get a new brush and they haven't used it yet? Because I do that. I do that. So that's the first item. Then next up we have this Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. It says that it conditions and restores. Ooh, so on here on the back it says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. So use this cream to help replenish and nourish skin. It says how to use. AM and PM. Apply even layer to clean skin. Clinically tested and safe for sensitive skin. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. Winky face. Cute. I'm all about cute packaging. Like the little hidden bits. My favorite part. So pretty light blue packaging. It's super liquidy in there. Like if I were to go like this anymore. Is it sparkly? No, it's in my head. Yeah, that's really liquidy. I got some. I'm just going to put it on my hand because I accidentally got some on the side and I'm not going to waste it. I'm just going to pretend like it's lotion for a second. Oh, that's super thin, but it feels really hydrating. I like how quickly that absorbed into my skin. I'm really excited. I love skincare so much. Recently I've been really lazy about my skincare though, and like my skin is paying for it. Don't be lazy with your skincare. You know what being lazy with your skincare does for you? It gives you ugly skin, okay? do your skincare. If you're watching this at night and you have your makeup on and you're trying to go to bed, no, get out of bed. Go wash that makeup off your face. Put some moisturizer on. And then thank yourself. Because your skin needs it. Treat your skin with respect. That's all. So next, I actually hope that I like this because I got this in my paid for bag. Spoiler alert. I should have, whatever. Okay, so this is the Tresic Good Vibes mascara, and it is like a mascara with an eyelash curler, and it says that is a lash enhancing mascara. And so if I don't like this, then I'm just going to donate this one to the like local women's shelter. So I'm going to show you the one that I've already like touched and stuff, because I just have it right here. Whoop. Okay, so it's like a big tube, almost as long as my face. So you open it, you flip this little bit down, and then it comes up to curl, and I like it because I think this would be great for, well, I was going to say when you put fake eyelashes on, but maybe not, because when you like put this up to your eye, what happens to your other eyelashes? Go like that? I don't know. I haven't used the curler yet, but it's really handy to have a 2-in-1 product, and like how easily that stores, and then the mascara is down here in the bottom. Like that's really easy. So I just kind of got to test it out. I haven't tried it yet, but definitely want to. So really excited about that. Then we have a 5-piece brush set, and this is by Farrah, and it's Be Beautiful Be You. Looks like this. Eyeshadow brushes. Your girl loves some eyeshadow brushes always. I'm always like excited to get brushes because I don't think you can ever have enough brushes. So let's see, it comes with the 65E large shading brush, the 35E tapered blending brush, the 205 fly wing brush, the 3 mini tapered blending, and the 6 short shading brush. So it comes with 5 brushes, all of course super soft, and they're silver, so I think they're like perfect for holiday season. When I think silver, I think Christmas. So yeah, exciting. I get so excited to unbox this because I like opened it up when I first got it, and then I'm like, okay, I'll film it, and I kept putting off filming this, and then I was like, okay, I gotta do this, and I just forgot everything that was in here, and I was like, I need a lipstick, I wonder if I have one in here, and I opened it up and it's like, boom, I do, and I'm saving it for last. I'll tell you what it is, but like saving it for last because I just love it so much. Anyways, my next product, it is this Violet Voss 6-color eyeshadow press pigment palette. I'm just gonna open it up, pull it out of there. So this, is there like a name for the palette? It just says hashtag Violet Voss on the back, so you know, I don't really know, but when you open it up, it is super pretty. It's like nude with like a pop of peach and coral. Now, for last but not least, the wonderful lipsticks that I have on. So, I just dropped it. Okay, so this, I opened it already, but it came like this. And it has this paper in here, and it says Farrah Matte Boss Liquid Lip Pigments, a lipstick line with the busy modern woman in mind. Our liquid lipstick packaging is square shaped, so your lipstick will stay put when you set them down. No more chasing or runaway lipstick. Be beautiful, be you. Oh, and it shows all of the colors. Okay. Here is the like front side of this. Here is the back side of this. Anyways, there's 3 lipsticks in here. So I'm just going to pull them out, you know, show you how cute they are. So we have 3 lipsticks here, and it kind of gives you a little bit of a color swatch on there. Ooh. So they're all like medium to darker shades. Oh wait, what did I just do? So I'm going to start off with Cocoa because it's the one that I'm wearing right now. And I'm just going to open these up and show you. Look at this packaging. So beautiful. And I'm just like, okay. And it's like heavy, so it's like, it feels really nice and bougie. And I don't know why, but recently I'm just like, all about it. And so next up we have Tiffany. And this is like more of like that mauve pink kind of color. Super, super pretty. And then we have Farrah, which is a red. And they're all absolutely beautiful. And this formula, so far, I'm really liking it. It's nice, it's comfortable, and I don't like feel like my lips are sticking together. But I've only had it on for about 30 minutes to an hour now. So I'm really liking it so far, and I'm excited to try out the other ones and give it like a full day's wear. Yeah, but that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel, as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And also, I have a vlog channel, and I have videos edited that are going to go up on that before they go on here. So I'll have it linked down below. So check them out. It's from a while ago when my boyfriend and I went to North Carolina so I could dig in a creek and look for crystals. We had a lot of fun and it was cool, and I would really appreciate it if you would go watch it and subscribe to that channel as well. So yeah, hope you guys are having a wonderful day and have a very happy and safe Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And thanks again, MC, for sending me this package. I appreciate it so much, and I'm so excited to try all these products out. Okay, till next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!